Next one, right? Like this, you can solve a lot of questions by using answer options only, sir. Right? See the size of this question. The size of this question is from here to here. But actually, this question I think it can be solved in less than 10 seconds. Less than 10 seconds. All you have to do is check the answer option and solve it. Check the answer option and solve it. Sir, first we will patiently read the question. There are 3 traffic signals. Let the traffic signal, first signal it is T1, second signal T2, third signal T3. First signal T1, second signal T2, third signal T3. Each signal changes color from green to red and then red to green. First it is in green color. It moves from green to red, then red to green. It is green, green to red, and red to green. Green to red, and red to green. And red to green. I am just reading the question. The first signal, right, takes 25 seconds. To move from green to red, it takes 25 seconds. Second signal takes 39 seconds. It takes 39 seconds. Third signal, it takes 60 seconds. To change the color from green to red. Green to red. First signal takes 25 seconds. Second signal takes 39 seconds. Third signal takes 60 seconds. The duration of green and red colors are same. Duration of green and red colors are same. Green to red is 25 seconds. Red to green is also 25 seconds. If it is 39 seconds, here also 39. Here also it is 60. That means at 2 p.m. they together turn green. At 2 p.m. that means green to red, red to green. 50 seconds T1 will take. 78 seconds T2 will take. 120 seconds T3 will take. First signal, it takes 50 seconds to come from green back to green. Green to red, red to green. Second train, it takes 78 seconds. Third train, it takes traffic, it takes 120 seconds. What time will they change if they all start? 3 different values are there. Suppose 3, 5. When they will meet at LCM of 3, 5. At LCM of 3, 5. So all these 3 traffic signals will meet at LCM of 50, 78, 120. 50, 78, 120. Please do not find 50, 78, 120 LCM. Right? LCM, there is a beautiful concept, sir. See here. LCM of 5, 6 is 30. 5, 6 is 30. Listen carefully, sir. While doing LCM, if input one number is divisible by 5, if input one number is divisible by 5, output is also divisible by 5. If one input one number is divisible by 3 as a prime number, answer also it is divisible by 3. Answer also it is divisible by 3. If input one number, if it is divisible by 13, 78 is 13 into 6. Input one number, it is divisible by 13. If input one number is divisible by 13, output also, answer also should be divisible by 13. Answer also, it should be divisible by 13. From 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., 2 hours. Hour is 60. So it is 120 minutes. 120. No. Right? 2 hours it is. 1 hour 60. 60 into 60. No. Right? 2 to 4:10 p.m. 2 hours 10 minutes. 2 hours 10 minutes. 2 hours 10 minutes. It is, hour is 160, 120, 130 minutes. Minute is 60. 130, it is divisible by 13. Are you all with me? Understood the idea, right? Input one number is divisible by 13. While doing LCM, answer also it should be divisible by 13. From 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. First option is 4 p.m. 2 hours difference. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 2 into 60 is 120. 120 is not divisible by 13. Second option, 4:10 p.m. From 2 p.m. to 4:10 p.m. That means 2 hours 10 minutes it has travelled. 1 hour it is 60 minutes. 2 into 60 plus 10, 130 minutes. 1 minute is 60 seconds. 130, 13 is there? Yes. Answer is 4:10 p.m. Understood, sir? Please do not waste your time in doing 50, 78, 120. School kids will do like that. LCM, one important property in LCM. Input one number, if it is divisible by k, LCM of that number, answer output also it is divisible by k. Right? Reply with yes if it is clear to you. Reply with yes if it is clear to you. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Idea it is very much clear. If you observe, most of the questions are very logical by nature, because this kind of questions most of the students get into an traditional way of solving a question, which will kill their time, which will create a sense of fear in them that the paper is tough. It is not tough.